Cut on Jesus Christ. It was caught on a stream. Guys, I can't believe it. I got a golden sign on live. It's actually not a live stream, it's actually a mixer like episode. I need chick for chicken wings. Ah, he's so cute. Boop. I got the invention. Okay. I can jump. I need this cute little tabby home. I will put you to my home. You become mine. Just forget it. I'm just gonna go and continue. The life so far, like, I'm just jogging myself because there's nobody actually. Run! Hey! That was my chicken. No! My. There's gonna be a tar! Ooh, a box. This is not actually my first time playing Simon, sure. Actually, it's my millionth time because I used to play this game a lot. Look, the pan. My king. I want to see a tar. Ow! Don't you dare! Ah! You stole my spaghetti. I'm actually recording on my chair with my computer in hand. Now I'm on the desk. I think I saw a tar. I don't really know. Ow! You may have me on Discord. I have a Discord server. And I cannot really keep the name. Transfer it to YouTube. Yeah, I should. Yeah! Pull me into the air, bitch. I'm sorry for swearing. Because I need to help myself to get to that rostro. I need that chicken. I will leave. Take the plots away. So I could have money. Ow! Because I need money. Samantha, if you didn't know, you need money. Those plots are saying I have money. And you have money, like in the corner. I used to play some Simon shit. No, not yet. I need to go sell the plots. Cause look, it's the old game. I should get more painful words. This episode is short. It's actually because I'm taking breaks. I was gonna go see the Alpha movie. I need Lord to sell. I prefer this game over some other games. Let's put the tabby in there and keep them safe. Whee! I may do 1 hour edition. So yeah, I will get to the this place called like what it's called? It's called like you have a where we find the hunter sign. When I will find one, I will actually stop recording because I will see my tabby signs. I will make them pink tabbies so they can eat anything. I need pink tabbies. Tabbies are great. I'm gonna put 4 of them. Go get the plort. Yes. Go get the plort. Feed tabbies. Feed my little baby. I need your plort. Thank you. Those are cute tabbies, aren't they? Oh, hell no, bitch. Sorry. I was like doing like, the catchphrase for SMG4. So I'm gonna sleep until the morning. And after I go back to the ranch. Oh yeah, I should speak French now, because actually I'm French. I should speak French. I'm getting out of the language. Yeah. Bon. J'ai regardé toutes les... Yeah, the live stream's been on... No, the live stream. Stop saying live stream. It's not a live stream, Alex. I'm gonna buy this and put it on there. Alright. That's right. Oh, my computer is becoming hot. Bang, I stopped the episode here. Because it doesn't support Simon Rancher enough. That's a rock. I will see if we find a golden slime again. If we find it, I will go and yell. No, I'm joking. But the yelling stuff, I won't yell because there's my mom. And some friends are over. My mom doesn't like when I'm yelling. Mother hates the I will make one that I may do an episode 2 to the live stream. I put calm music in the background so I could concentrate on Time Ranger and nothing else. I may be going to feed the big larga slime thing. You guys will continue the episode after that because I need to be